Hi, this is Bindu. Welcome to my channel Creative Toon. Here's another video for you. In this video, I'm gonna tell you the basic stitches of crochet knitting. This is a basic guide for the beginners. Here I'm gonna show you 5 basic stitches like chain stitch, single crochet, double crochet, triple crochet, and slip stitch. These are the basic stitches. We can also modify these stitches as half double crochet, half triple crochet according to the need. To start knitting, first we need to make a knot. See how I make this. Okay, so here we made a knot. This is our first stitch, first loop you can say. So to make a chain stitch, first we need to wrap the yarn around the hook. Keep the yarn tight with your fingers and just pull it through the loop like this. See, this is a first chain. Again do the same. Just keep knitting. This is called chain stitch. See, it just looks like a chain. That's why I call the chain stitch. So now we'll see how to knit single crochet. For single crochet, you just need to put the hook into the loop or the stitch. No need to wrap the yarn around. Just put the hook through it and pull the yarn through the loop, and again pull the yarn through both the loops. See, this is single crochet. Again I'm doing this. See, so row 1 is completed now, and now we'll see how to knit double crochet. Okay, for double crochet we need to wrap the yarn around the hook only once. Okay, see, and pull the yarn through the stitch, then yarn over through the first 2 loops, and again yarn over the rest 2 loops. In double crochet, what we do is yarn over twice and 2 loops together, hence it's called double crochet. Okay, now see, again I'm doing the same. See, the row 2 is completed now. See how it looks. Here's the single crochet line and here's the double crochet. Now we'll make the third row. We'll need a triple crochet now. See, first need 3 chains to adjust the length. Then we'll need a triple crochet. In triple crochet, what you do is wrap the yarn around the hook twice, so that there will be 3 loops in total. See, I'm showing you the next stitch. Just wrap around twice and yarn over once, twice and thrice. See, in triple crochet we yarn over 3 times. That's why it is called a triple crochet. See how it looks. This is the longest, or you can say the widest stitch in crochet knitting. You can make half double crochet by yarning over once and half triple crochet by yarning over twice. You can see these stitches in my another video, which is DIY hairband video. Watch that for the details. See, row 3 is completed now. This is the triple crochet line, and now we'll make the slip stitch line, which is the 4th line. Okay, so first making slip stitch, we just need to put the hook into the stitch and just pull it through the previous loop. No need to wrap around the yarn, no need to yarn over, nothing. Just pull it through this. See, we knitted all the 5 basic stitches of crochet knitting. See how all the stitches look like. For more cooking, knitting, art and craft videos, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.